Here's a problem a lot of NotebookLM users run into. You add a Google Doc or a Google Sheet as a source, but then the file gets updated later and NotebookLM is still reading the old version. By default, you'd have to manually sync each source one by one. But with this free Chrome extension, you can refresh all of them in a single click. First thing, we need to install the third-party extension. Open a new tab and head over to the official Google Chrome Web Store. Search for the NotebookLM Sync extension and hit Add to Chrome. It is completely free, requires minimal browser permissions, and barely takes a second to install. Confirm the security pop-up by clicking Add Extension. Wait for the prompt, and that's it. It is safely installed. Now head back over to the NotebookLM web app and open the specific workspace project where your Google Drive sources are located. These would be cloud-based files like Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides that you have previously imported and linked directly from your drive. Once you are inside your project, look over at your Sources panel on the left side of the screen. Thanks to the extension, you will now see a dedicated Refresh Drive button at the top that wasn't there before. Just click it and watch the progress indicators go. It systematically goes through each of your drive sources and pulls in the latest live version of every file. And just like that, all your connected sources are instantly refreshed. NotebookLM's AI engine is now working with the most current version of every document, so whatever collaborative edits or data changes were made over in Google Drive, they are fully reflected here in your chat context now. If you found this AI workflow tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next one.